Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Febreze car air freshener 5-pack. So I really like this pack because it's really cool. There's 5 different scents. So Linen and Sky, Midnight Storm, Hawaiian Aloha, Ocean, and Ember. I think that's really cool because like usually these multi-packs are the same scent. And directions here, activate, clip, adjust. But yeah, I think it's really smart that they've made this like diverse pack, scratch a sniff, because sometimes you just want to switch up the scent, you know? You don't want the same scent all the time, right? So let's open this up. I think it's really cool. Want to mix it up. Which one should I try first? I really like Hawaiian Aloha. Yeah, want to mix it up. And these look a little different than before, so that's pretty cool too. They're like, here, I'll zoom in on one. It looks a little more modern now. It's like a flat design. Really cool. And then, yeah, I think here's where you adjust the strength. Yep. Yeah, really cool modern design. I will pick one to use tomorrow in my truck. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy these from. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.